These guys are solving the problems of the world this morning.
Uh-oh.
And I can't.
Solved everything. We're good now. You
I
can go back to bed.
I came out in my, I'm still like in my pajamas. But I wanted y'all to, they're heading out, and so I wanted to say bye to them before they head out.
Bye.
So guys, my video today is going to be about how we get busy out here in this lifestyle. And people think, I think sometimes they go, well, what am I going to do if I go out and I'm in an RV, or I'm in my van, or I'm in a box truck, or I'm just living the nomad life? So I'm going to ask you, Stanley, first. Let's see, we've got Stanley, we've got Dennis, and we've got Tim Untethered. Stanley's been out here 3 months, and 6 months. So Stanley, have you found it to be boring? What has your life been like since you've been out here?
It's been boring sometimes.
Really? You've been bored sometimes?
Yeah. I mean, I keep busy, but I make things to take the time. Hiking, looking around, talking to people.
Now that doesn't sound boring to me.
No, well, don't forget I came from the population.
That's true.
Now I'm in the desert.
That's true, and it does take a while to acclimate to that. I remember.
I like it. I love it.
Yeah. I remember when I first came out, it took a while, but you're acclimating to it and loving it. Good deal.
Yeah, I sleep good, eat good.
There you go. And Dennis, what about you?
I would have to say it's been very interesting in that I've probably, in 3 months, I've probably moved to 10 or 12, maybe more different places. So there's a certain excitement in getting somewhere, and there's an excitement about leaving it and going somewhere new. So absolutely love that aspect of it.
Awesomeness. And now, Tim, you were just talking about how crazy busy your next 24 hours even
Well,
are.
it sort of reminds me, you know, when you have those moments in your life and you feel good at the end of the day because you got a lot accomplished, and you would think that you'd be out here in the middle of nowhere and it would just be like, you know, this contemplative sort of experience. But in like a 20-something hour period, I would have gone to Robert's 50th birthday party out in the desert with a cake that was baked in a cargo trailer that looks like a van, right?
Yes.
Sitting around with friends around the campfire, and then going into Mexico to get my teeth cleaned and get a prescription filled, and then doing my laundry, taking a shower, and then traveling to another community and meeting subscribers. And so that's all within like a 24-hour cycle.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, and then I have to work too. So, yeah, I have to pay the bills. So, yeah, it's particularly busy, but there are those moments of quiet contemplation. Yeah, there's no shortage of things to do out here.
Yeah, exactly. If anything, it's almost like sometimes it's like, I need it to slow down just a little.
Well, at the end of the day, I figure sometimes I can't believe I squeeze that much into a day, you know? And you have to go, I forgot I had to go grocery shopping and get water and, you know, resupply.
Exactly. Yeah. Well, your dog looks really chill over there.
Oh, lucky.
He's just...
This is a stressful life for him. Ask him what he did in the last 24 hours.
He had a lot of fun. I'm going to show the clip of Bandit greeting them when you guys got here yesterday.
I thought it was hysterical.
Well, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everybody, thank you for being here on my channel. I appreciate you. And I just had to get you an update because I have been running like crazy and spending so much time with my friends and having so much fun. And I will get back to my regular videos, I promise. I haven't even given you my meetup videos yet. But since New Year's, I've just been with my friends and doing a lot of wonderful things that I'm going to tell you about. And I had the live chat, if you haven't watched that, and gave some updates there. But today I'm just going to give you a quick update because I've got more plans today with my friends, and soon I will be on my road trip, and then I will get caught up on regular programming videos. It's so funny because just like you just heard Tim Untethered sharing and Stanley and Dennis saying, you know, you get out here and everybody's like, oh my God, what am I going to do with all my time? And my friend Gray that's here, she says she mostly likes to just read and hike and nap and spend time with her dog. Everybody is different. But for me, I've been making up for lost time since I can socialize with people now, since I've been on that medicine, Aricept. And the holidays for everybody is usually just a busy time. And not only is it a busy time of year, but you know, I was so lucky to have so many people come out to my meetup. Aja of Pandemonium came out, and Terry and Scott of Destination Open Road came out, and a whole bunch of others. And I'm sharing that for a reason. And then I went to the Boondocking Bash, and they were there. And then I went to Rady's birthday party, and they were there. And so I just asked Aja, I'm like, how do you do this socializing all the time and still get your videos up and Patreon and all of that? Because I know both of those channels are bigger channels than mine, and they keep their videos up. And she said, you just learn to do it in chunks. Well, that's a problem for me with a brain injury, because I have to have a concentrated amount of time and interruptions, like I shared in my video, how TBI relates to jigsaw puzzles. That makes it really difficult. So anyway, today, I'm like, I have to get something up to my viewers because I miss you guys, and I wanted you to know that I'm still here, and I haven't abandoned videos, and I'll get back on track and get you caught up. I like a sequential order of my videos on my channel because this also serves as my video journal, and I will definitely get back to that. Today is just a quick catch up and to say hello. Since my New Year's Eve video, I had a great time with my friends Gina and Jeff that came down from Las Vegas, and they stayed at the casino and just really had a great time, and they started the celebration of Robert's 50th birthday. And then from there, went and camped with friends, and a bunch of friends came out to celebrate Robert's birthday, and we have just been having fun in the desert. I mean, where else can you get together and somebody in their box truck make a cake in their oven that is shaped like a van camped next to a mountain? And so we got together and we had a great, wonderful campfire and celebrated Robert's birthday, but it has been nonstop and it's been lots of fun. And this might not seem like fun. It's definitely a blessing for me, but I am getting a new front end on Fancy Free before I start my wild journey in 2020 of a major road trip. And I don't know what all I had done. I'll put it in the video description, but it is the ball joints, tie rods, and I'm not a mechanical person, so I can't even tell you. You'll have to go to the video description or the pinned comment to see it. But I hired Robert to do that, and fortunately he has the skills and everything to be able to do it out in the middle of the desert, and I'll have a complete video on that later. Today is just, like I said, a quick update. And so from here, before I start my road trip in 2020 next week, I've got a few options, and I'm going to run those by you. I'll let you know what I make my mind up to do, but I also want to tell you that I will be starting my road trip next week, which is the middle of January, but then I'm going to catch up on my videos in sequential order, like I just said. So I'm going to go back and start with my meetup and move forward and show you all of this wonderful fun that I've been having. So there will be a lag, obviously, of the time between my road trip and where I'm actually at, and that's also for safety purposes. But before I start on my road trip next week, so today is real time, before I start on my road trip next week, I have a choice of maybe going up to Havasu and seeing some friends for the balloon festival. And I really hope I get to do that because Leslie, that I camped with at Crossroads, is there. Frugal RV Gal and C-Dub's Journey is there. Those are my friends from Texas. And then I want to come back down and go to the TR, that's hard to say, and I'll put that link in the video description as well for the people that are sponsoring that, or I think you can find it on Facebook. It might not be a link, but I'll do that if I can. And I want to see Aja and Terry and Scott and everybody before I head out. But that puts about an extra 300 miles on my journey already, and I'm on a budget, so I'm not sure, and I'm just wanting to know if I do that, are those videos that you guys are interested in? So I need to know, what do you think? Do you want to see videos of that, or do you want me to just go ahead and get on my 2020 road trip from here? And are you interested in Friday night live chats? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for being here today with me, and I appreciate you being on this journey. Be sure to check out Meanderings Magazine for a subscription for my latest short story, and if you haven't gotten one of my books, please do. You can go to DebraDickinson.com for that. I think that's it, everybody. Oh, no, wait. I do want to tell you that now that I'm going to be traveling and I'm not going to be able to hang with all my friends who I'm going to miss so very much, I will be able to do more writing. And so there will definitely be 1 or 2 new books out in 2020. I know I'm behind on that, but I'm really looking forward to getting caught up on my writing. And also, I got to tell you something that happened with me cognitively around writing that scared me. I was afraid I had lost that talent, but I will share more about that in a future video. Today was just a quick update. I love you. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you down the road, everybody. Bye-bye.
What? All right, here we go.
Bandit's happy. There's Taco.
The puppies are here.
Bandit's just going to run circles around him.
Yeah, look at that.
He's so happy you guys are here.
He's gonna growl at Lucky. That's too funny.
You're so silly,
Look at the dust cloud
Bandit.
he's kicking up.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, buddy.
Are you done now? Good boy.
Here, I want to see your eyeballs. Jump up high. Up, up. Twirl.
Okay, good deal.
Twirl. You gotta twirl. Twirl. Turn around. Turn around. There you go. Up. There you go. All right, buddy. You happy? I love you too. Kisses. Kisses. Okay.